Birds on the wires in a row, frozen for a moment. Birds on the wires in a line, frozen in time. The wind is tearing after them, a flock above my mind. The city breathes in silence, but inside it's loud and strange. Everyone is searching for direction through the passing years and change. Which direction will they go? Only the wind knows. I stare up at the sky, but no answer ever shows. A cry of the soul like a flock of birds scattered in the night. I lose myself between the words, and a voice speaks a lie. Just watch them as they fly. Don't hold on, let them go. They're fading into height, where broken dreams all flow. Birds still sit on wires, silent in their place. Thoughts are shaking on my lips, like winter on my face. I search inside the noise for something I once knew, but all I find is distance and a wind passing through. Which direction is the pain? Flying off with no return. And I stand here again while the empty sky still burns. A cry of the soul like a flock of birds scattered in the night. I lose myself between the words, and a voice speaks a lie. Just watch them as they fly. Don't hold on, let them go. They're fading into height, where broken dreams all flow. And if it all disappears like birds into the dark, I'll still hear the echo living inside my heart. Final chorus, a cry of the soul like a flock of birds drifting into air. I stopped searching for the truth, it was never really there. Just watch them as they fly. The silence says again, birds on the wires and the wind arise.